Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. Going to show you how to replace your power mirror switch. This is a 2011 Ford F-150. Remove the mirror switch. Nice flat plastic trim tool available at 1aauto.com. This will prevent from scuffing or marring your door panel. Just press it in between the switch and the door panel. Just find a spot where you can press it underneath. The clips are on each side, so pull up, and then your switch comes back like that and up, and there's a tab right here. Push on the tab and disconnect. New switch from 1A Auto, put it into place. The fat part of the switch goes towards the front. Put that down and in, and then firmly push down and lock it into place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.